The backhoe man, son. We had a little mistake right there. Had to turn it, run it over here, run it down there. Jason's right over there. Don't know if you see that damn oil rig. That's where Jason's at. We right behind his rig. We got all kind of goodies around here. Goddamn. There's a tank battery with the heaters and shit. That's nice now. Look at the mountains. Yeah, Jason's right over there. I seen him at McDonald's today. I called him and told him I was at McDonald's because I was right by where that rig. Over and out. Over and out. He's over and out on the cat backhoe.